Hey, Sam Markowski. We're at Ken Macek's house, doing first time video, showing off his collection.
This is William Serrano with Serrano Pythons. We're over here at Ken Macek's place, the man. I'm gonna let him go ahead and take over and show you guys what's going on.
How you guys doing? This is the main room that I used for most of my adults and stuff like that. And just trying to get a couple things up to size for this next season coming up. And I'll let him show you around the room a little bit first. And then we can come on up in here. I got the incubator here. It's a walk-in. Let you guys check that out. Here's your doorbell. Right here, got a few things cut, their heads popping out. They should be extreme enchies. I'm pretty excited to wait to see their pattern when they get out of there. And I think it's going to be exciting to see. It's the first time I ever tried to make the extreme enchies. And then over here, might be able to have you squeak a peep, I don't know. We'll get out of here soon though, but anyways, right here, it's a cool looking animal, man. Let's see if we can get some pattern in there. We are foamy. I don't know if you guys can see that or not.
Got a little bit of pattern. There we go.
It's kind of wild. I bred a sterling to an extreme butter. So I can't wait to see that all the way out of the egg. And this is another one right here. I think it's a different type of animal, but they got about another day and they'll be out. So this is the incubator. I'm always in here working constantly. And that's about it. I'll just show you a few animals I got in here. When I first hatch them out, I keep them in here until they do their first sheds usually. And then I take it from here and put them into the baby room. Here we got a bumblebee, 100% clown. Here we got a spider, a clown. And this is what I was talking about, the spider clown right here. They're in a deep blue right now, so they're not really looking as cool as they were a couple days ago. There's another spider clown. And then we got a very badly shutting out bumblebee clown. Can't wait till these things get out of the shed and start eating. There's that. This is an animal I thought was pretty interesting. I want to show you guys real quick. Check this thing out. This is an Enchi head-red exantic. I just really like the pattern. It's just something unique looking, you know? Never seen those before. I think they'll be fun to play with, you know? Alright, cool. Let me show you around the rest of the place. We'll go into the baby room real quick and then show you some other projects. Come on. Here is the baby room. Here's something I just picked up recently. It's a male banana. Thing's pounding pretty good. And then here's another one I picked up. Likes to hide. The pastel banana. That one's doing pretty good too. Alright. Here's a snake you guys seen on the BLBC. It's got a little more color. It finally shut out and started eating for me. It's the Disco Inferno, they call it, or I call it the Disco Cream, whatever they want to call it, I'll call it that. But basically, this is ate about 5-6 meals in the shed. What I like is they get a lot of white more than the vanillas do. This looks like almost like a pied. Got pretty good zoom.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So that's the Disco Cream. Alright, over on this side, it's got a whole bunch of babies from last year and stuff like that. And I got this, oh, since I'm here, here's a spider disco. It's got pretty wild, it's getting big. This is Male Extreme Bumblebee, I believe. It's pretty wild looking. Starts to get the stripe behind the neck already, the colors are a little off. I believe this is what it is. It came out of that clutch, and the colors are a little off right here and stuff too. So I got to breed it to figure out, make sure what it is. Alright, we can go in the other room. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of stuff about the extremes and try to explain a little bit. Go. Let's go explain a little bit about the Extreme gene. I bought this off Brad Boa a couple years ago, and that's how we became friends pretty much because of this animal. But anyways, he was selling these butters that were amazing. They were super, super cool. Everybody liked them. And when I picked it up, I thought something was special about it also. So I kept breeding it, and weird animals kept coming out of it. And I decided to pursue it and really try to figure out what the heck's going on with this animal. So by breeding it and stuff like that, I produced supers. I'll just show you later in the video. And I figured out that this had a separate gene to it called the Extreme gene. Okay? A lot of the Extreme genes, one of the markers I could show is looks like a drippy type tail, like the pattern drips down. This thing doesn't want to cooperate. We see how it gets like melty together, and it has a lot of like drip marks. And another thing is it gets a lot of striping through the animal. See how it starts to stripe from the neck? And they notice that they get a lot brighter than the normal animal. So whatever you breed it to, it makes it brighter, like a desert would, and it stripes the thing out like a genetic stripe kind of type thing, but it's a codon. So what we're trying to do at the end of this whole thing is make the perfect animal that is clean and striped without having a recessive gene and taking time to do it. So that's this snake.
Go ahead.
This one here I really, really love. It's my female Yellow Belly Extreme. She's getting brighter and brighter every time she sheds. It's coming out really cool. And if you look at her belly, it's just nuts, that yellow belly pattern on her. Really like that about her belly. You can see the extreme colors coming through here in the bottom. And the tail again with the markings.